guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some Black Ops 2.
Mission is live.
How are you guys doing? I know I'm doing good. Well, this is like the freaking, I don't know how many videos I done did today, but I done did a lot of videos today. I done did a lot of videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed them. I hope you guys enjoyed the one where I played 2K17 and I got my whoops because I suck. I'm absolutely garbage at that game. And you guys are probably asking me, why am I using the Brecci? What? The Brecci is too overpowered. Why am I using the Brecci? The reason why I'm using the Brecci is because I want to win this free-for-all. And you might say I'm trash because I'm using the shotgun or whatever, but I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do to like rank up, you know. And the shotgun's not even that bad, but I got fast mags on it, and extended mags, and rapid fire. So yeah, and this sweet camo. Come here, boy. Oh, he got me. See my. Oh, crap. No. I gotta get back to my care package. I gotta get to my care package. I gotta get. I swear, if my care package is gone, I'm leaving this lobby. Give me my care package, bro. The freak, bro. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, boy. Oh crap, he got me with a shotgun. There's that counter UAV. No. I'm 20 and 5. I'm trying not to die at least 10 times. I'm trying not to die 10 times.
Counter UAV power level 4.
Oh, he's reloading. Oh crap, he hit me. Oh, you so stupid. He got up in his crossfire. Yeah, boy, don't try to shoot me. Shoot him out 30-pound gun. Yeah. Oh. Let's go, my boy. Let's go.
Care package on standby.
Oh, he killed me. That's not fair, bro. Oh, he got a shotgun too. Bro, if I die 2 more times, then I failed my challenge. If I get killed 2 more times, then I fail my challenge. No. Now if I get killed 1 more time, bro. Or I can be lacking. If I get more than 10 kills, more than 10 deaths, then I fail. I can't get no more than 10. Alright, give me my sentry. Give me my hardened sentry. Give me my sentry gun, boy.
online.
Oh, sentry gun kill. Oh, you got that. Oh, I died 10 times. Alright, now, if I die one more time, then I lose.
Enemy down.
Bro, he walked right in front of the sentry. Is these people dumb? Oh, I can't die one more time. No, I can't die. 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 Oh, I died 1 to 10 times. Okay, I failed the challenge. Because I'm sorry. And I don't have a life. Bro.
Enemy down.
I am definitely a hacking. I am definitely hacking. Nope, it's not skill at all. I'm definitely hacking. Hold on.
Pilot is HC.
Let me use this. I don't even know how to hack. To be honest, to be completely honest with you, I don't even know how to hack.
Target sentry ammo depleted.
I really don't even know how to hack. I'm just being A1 with y'all. But if I did know how to hack, I would hack the crap out of this game. But I don't, so I can't. Oh crap. I should have got out of there. Alright, I gotta get another sentry. I gotta get a new sentry. No, I'm trying to get a sentry gun, bro. F you. Come inside here. I want you to. Oh, he passed.
KIA.
Up, grenade.
HCXD ready for deployment.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Care
Man.
package awaiting orders.
Take that smoke.
Oh, he killed me with a freaking shotgun. Let me get another one of those sentries. Let me get another one of those sentries.
Supply drop. XPO.
Give me this. Oh, that's a Hellstorm. I need that.
Hailstorm on standby.
Oh, I got him.
Poor.
Should be one coming up the stairs.
HCXD
Unless
deployed.
I'm wrong. No, they're not coming up the stairs. They all the way out here. Got him. Let's go. Come on. Where you at?
KIA.
Oh, he got me. Bro, I got 17 deaths. I suck, bro. I freaking suck crap, bro. I got 17 deaths. How?
Good effect.
How did he not see me?
Mechanical.
How did he not shoot at me?
HCXD
What?
ready for launch.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed that video, give that video a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I did. I whooped their butts again, like I do in all free for-alls. What do you guys expect? Do you guys expect me to lose in a free-for-all? But alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace.